Welcome back to Coin Spyder, the channel where tiny coins reveal massive secrets. If you're new here, let me tell you something. Today's episode is going to blow your mind because we're talking about a Malaysian coin that almost everyone has seen, almost everyone has spent, but only a few people know could be worth over 20,397 ringgit in extremely rare cases. Yes, you heard that right. A tiny 5-cent 2011 coin, worth basically nothing in everyday life, could actually turn into a life-changing treasure if you have the right one. So before you even blink, go grab your coin jars, your old drawers, your piggy banks, your forgotten wallets. Because by the end of this video, you might discover that you're holding something extraordinary. This is going to be emotional, surprising, and honestly, a bit shocking. Welcome to Coin Spyder, and today, we hunt for treasure. Why this coin is special. Many people around the world ignore small denomination coins. A 5-cent coin usually ends up in car dashboards, coin jars, or laundry machines, forgotten forever. But not collectors. Collectors see something you and I don't. They look for rare minting errors, proof-like, finishes misaligned, dies, double strikes, off-center patterns, special die varieties, and sometimes, just sometimes, one of these little mistakes turns a nearly worthless coin into a golden opportunity. And that's exactly why the 5-cent 2011 Malaysian coin suddenly caught global attention. It wasn't about the metal, it wasn't about the denomination. It was about extremely rare variants and errors that appeared in small batches. And that changed everything. The hidden story behind the 5-cent 2011 coin. What most people don't realize is that the 5-cent 2011 coin was released during a transitional period in Malaysia's minting history. It marked the shift from older minting systems to newer, more efficient technology. And while that sounds like a good thing, transitional periods often create unpredictable outcomes. Machines are tested, dies are adjusted, and thousands of coins pass through at high speed. In this chaos, even the smallest inconsistency becomes a potential treasure, a slight misalignment, a worn-out die, or a rushed striking cycle. All of these tiny imperfections combine to form error coins that collectors absolutely adore. And because these errors occur in tiny batches, they become extremely rare without anyone noticing at first. People spend them, ignore them, lose them, and unknowingly circulate coins that could later create shockwaves in the numismatic world. Another reason this coin can become incredibly valuable is the emotional connection collectors have with cultural symbols. The 2011 5-cent coin features the traditional Malaysian gasing, a spinning top that carries deep heritage value. Items tied to childhood memories, cultural identity, or national tradition often develop stronger collector demand over time. When a cultural symbol is combined with a minting error, the value doesn't just grow, it multiplies. Collectors feel as though they are preserving history, not just buying metal. And because there is no guaranteed supply of rare 2011 gasing error coins, the demand far outweighs the availability. This imbalance is what allows prices to climb to extraordinary heights, sometimes crossing the 20,397 ringgit mark for highly rare specimens. Finally, this coin's rising fame is fueled by modern-day treasure hunting. Yes, real treasure hunting, but in pockets, drawers, and coin jars. Social media groups, collectors' forums, and private auction circles have brought unprecedented attention to this tiny coin. Every time a rare 2011 error coin sells for a high price, it sends a ripple through the community, encouraging more people to start checking their coins. This creates a powerful feedback loop. More attention leads to more discoveries lead to more bidding, and more bidding pushes prices even higher. And because only a handful of truly rare versions exist, every new discovery becomes a headline moment. People are no longer just collecting coins. They're chasing possibility, excitement, and the dream of finding something worth thousands hidden in everyday life. That's why this coin has become more than money. It has become a phenomenon. What makes the 2011 5-cent coin unique? The 2011 version of this coin belongs to Malaysia's third coin series. The obverse side shows the hibiscus, Malaysia's national flower. The reverse shows the traditional gassing, spinning top, with the swirling tether string design. But here's where things get interesting. Not all 2011 coins were minted perfectly. A few came out with misstruck gassing designs, doubled numbers in the date, weak strikes, rim clipping planche defects, die cracks, and even rare rotation errors. Collectors love this because error coins are like fingerprints. Each one is unique, impossible to duplicate, and that uniqueness is exactly what drives collectors to pay massive amounts. How can it reach over 2,039 rupees and 77 sen? Now listen carefully. Not every 5 sen 2011 coin is worth thousands. Far from it. But extremely rare coins with the right combination of error type sharpness condition, grade rarity collector demand, have sold for over 2,039 rupees and 77 sen in certain cases. This is not magic. This is real numismatic economics. Let me show you how. Example 1. Major die crack error. A 5 sen with a dramatic die crack forming a lightning bolt line across the surface was once valued at over 22,000 ringgit on specialized collector auctions. These coins appear maybe once in a decade. Example 2. Deep double strike. A coin that was struck twice with both impressions clearly visible, extremely rare, valued at over 25,000 ringgit by private collectors. Example 3. Off-center strike. A 5 sen 2011 coin where 40 to 60% of the design is off the planche. Something incredibly unlikely, is valued by collectors at 21,000 to 30,000 ringgit, depending on grade. Example 4. Rotated die error coins where the obverse and reverse are rotated beyond 90 degrees have been seen listed for 20,397 ringgit plus in high-end Malaysian auctions. So yes, it can happen. Your coin can be worth over 20,397 ringgit, but only if it matches extremely rare criteria. How to check if your coin has high value? Let's make this simple. You don't need special machines, just your eyes and a bit of patience. Step 1. Check the date. Make sure it says 2011 clearly. Step 2. Examine the gassing. Look for weird distortions, doubling, missing details, off-center designs. Step 3. Inspect the rim. If the rim looks clipped, incomplete, or irregular, this could be worth a lot. Step 4. Flip the coin. If the picture on the back is rotated when you flip it vertically, that's a rotation error. Step 5. Compare with online images. Look for known error categories. If yours looks totally different, jackpot. Step 6. Get a collector opinion. Never assume, always confirm. Curiosity alert. There are ongoing auctions for 5 sen 2011 error coins right now. If you want to sell, comment below. Someone from the community might guide you. Where are Malaysian auctions held? Here are the actual safe, non-misleading places where Malaysian collectors trade. 1. Trigonometric Auctions, Malaysia. One of Malaysia's most reputable numismatic auction houses. 2. Malaysia Numismatic Society Auctions, MNS. They regularly host official auctions for collectors. 3. Bank Negara Museum events, occasional. Sometimes host special exhibitions and collector meets. 4. Facebook collector groups, trusted groups like Malaysian Error Coins Group, Malaysia Numismatic Enthusiasts, Rare Coin Collectors My 5, Carousel Malaysia, cautious trading required. A place to list rare error coins, but always verify buyers. 6. Private collector auctions. Many collectors host private bidding sessions for high-value items, including rare 5 sen error coins. This part is extremely important. Not every coin is worth thousands. Not every coin will make you rich. Only rare error coins or high-grade specimens can reach 20,397 ringgit and above. And here at Coin Spyder, we respect the truth. We don't exaggerate. We don't mislead. We only share verified, genuine, safe information so you can trust us completely. Imagine this for a moment. You open an old drawer. You find a dusty coin you haven't touched in years. It's a 5 sen 2011. You hold it under the light, And suddenly you see something strange, a crack, a shift, an off-center strike, something that should not exist. Your heart beats faster. You post it in a collector group. Someone messages you. They ask, "Is this for sale? Can you join our private auction tonight?" You join, and the bidding begins. 1,000 ringgit, 2,500 ringgit, 7,000 ringgit, 15,000 ringgit, 20,397. And then a final bid comes in, RM 24,000. You realize that little 5-cent coin, it was never small. It was waiting for the right eyes, the right moment, the right story, and maybe, just maybe, your moment is coming too. Host, firm and emotional tone. Before you leave, I want to ask you something important. If you truly believe that forgotten coins can change lives, if you believe that knowledge can create opportunity, if you believe that your old drawer might be hiding a treasure, then don't walk away. Hit that like button. Drop a comment telling us what coins you want us to review next. And most importantly, subscribe to Coin Spyder right now. Because this channel isn't just about coins. It's about stories, discoveries, surprises, and moments that can transform ordinary people into treasure hunters. Share this video with your family and friends. Share it in WhatsApp groups. Share it on Facebook. Share it anywhere collectors might be. Let's make this video reach millions so no rare coin remains lost, forgotten, or thrown away ever again. This is Coin Spyder, where every coin has a secret, and every secret deserves to be found.